we're going to talk about rib pain and how to use rock tape or kinesiotape to tape your ribs so that they feel better when you're out moving, working, and things like that. Stay tuned. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is get 2-inch rolls of rock tape or kinesiotape. I like the non-pre-cut version. I like to personally cut it myself so that it's the appropriate length. You have rib pain kind of right here on the side. I hurt myself doing a circus trick, and so I kind of rotated around and landed in this manner on a rope. It hurts when I bend this way. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it and measure from here kind of around to my belly button. So we'll go here kind of right about mid-back and then kind of down and about an inch in front of my belly button. I'm going to do 2 of the same exact length. So I have 2 strips here, cut and around the edges. This is just so that the tape doesn't get stuck to your clothing. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to cut 4 strips about 3/4 of the way through. You want to kind of make fingers. You're going to stop about 1.5 inches at the edge. Okay, so it looks like a little octopus. Woo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this part back and I'm going to spread these fingers out, and it's going to attach to my skin, and then the bottom one's going to go up this way. So I'm going to peel off the top paper backing and then rip along the edge so each little finger has its own separate piece of paper. And it's a little bit harder to do on yourself, totally possible, but if you struggle getting your shoulder back, definitely ask for help by a friend or a hubby. It's important not to get any wrinkles in the tape because that could irritate your skin. So when I pull these fingers out, I want to actually rotate this way. So I'm going to put my body on stretch. So there is number 1, and then number 2 is going to kind of come up this way. So when you're done, you want to make sure that you give them a good rub because the tape actually activates with heat. You see how the tape actually crosses the tape, but then it ends on the skin. For any tape job with rock tape or kinesiotape, you want to make sure that the edge piece is always touching skin, not ending on another piece of tape. When I take this off, I want to make sure it's really wet and peel it off nice and slowly. I'm super pumped. I'm gonna feel a lot better going into work knowing that my ribs and my muscles are a little bit more supported. And so I hope you guys found this useful. You can find rock tape on Amazon.com. I'll link it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.